Hello, my lovely foodies! Welcome back to the channel. Today we're baking a vegan almond butter spice cake that's moist, eggless, and bursting with warm, cozy spices. This cake is perfect for autumn gatherings or a sweet treat with your afternoon tea. Let's dive in. Here's what you'll need. 200 grams plain flour, 100 grams almond flour, 150 grams brown sugar, 100 grams creamy almond butter, 250 milliliters unsweetened almond milk, 80 milliliters vegetable oil, 2 tsp baking powder, 1 teaspoon baking soda, 1 tablespoon apple cider vinegar, spices, 2 teaspoons cinnamon, 1 teaspoon nutmeg, 1 teaspoon ginger, 1/2 teaspoon cloves, 1 teaspoon vanilla, pinch salt. For decoration, sliced almonds and icing sugar. In a large bowl, scoop in 100 grams of creamy almond butter. Add 250 milliliters of unsweetened almond milk and 80 milliliters of vegetable oil. Now add 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar, the eggless rise trick. Whisk everything until smooth and velvety. Finally, stir in 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract for warmth. Wet mix ready. In another bowl, sift 200 grams plain flour and 100 grams almond flour. Add 150 grams brown sugar, 2 teaspoons baking powder, 1 teaspoon baking soda, and a pinch of salt. Now the cozy spices. 2 teaspoons cinnamon, 1 teaspoon nutmeg, 1 teaspoon ginger, and half a teaspoon cloves. Whisk to combine. All set. Can you smell that autumn aroma? Slowly pour the wet ingredients into the dry, stirring gently until just combined. Don't overmix. Aim for a thick, luscious batter. Grease an 8-inch round tin and line the bottom with parchment. Pour in the batter and smooth the top with a spatula. Sprinkle a generous handful of sliced almonds for a crunchy finish. Look at that beauty. Ready for the oven. Preheat oven to 180 degrees Celsius. Bake 30-35 minutes. Pop the cake in and let it bake for about 30 to 35 minutes. The kitchen will smell like a cozy autumn dream as it rises. Once golden, remove the cake and test with a toothpick. Let it cool in the tin for 10 minutes, then transfer to a wire rack to cool completely. Patience is key. Don't rush it or you'll miss the perfect texture. Now for the fun part. Once cooled, dust the top with a light layer of icing sugar for a snowy effect. Those sliced almonds add a gorgeous crunch. Slice to reveal that moist, spiced perfection. Serve with fresh berries or a dollop of vegan cream for extra indulgence. This cake is a showstopper for cozy nights and festive gatherings. Dig in and enjoy. Tip: use a digital scale for precise measurements. Don't skip the apple cider vinegar. It's the secret to a fluffy texture. Store leftovers in an airtight container up to 5 days, or freeze slices for up to a month. Serve with vegan vanilla ice cream for decadence. If you found this helpful, please subscribe, like, and leave a comment. What's your favorite way to enjoy a spice cake? Until next time, happy baking, my lovelies!